This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by importing your video into Clipchamp and opening the Subtitles panel. This gets the process moving fast. Click Auto Generate to create a transcript from the audio so you have time-aligned text ready. Once done, make sure the language is correct and wait for processing to finish, because accuracy depends on a clear language setting. You'll see timestamps appear. Scan for obvious mishears and long gaps, then prepare to edit and split lines for readability. Next, you refine timing and text. This is the detailed middle work that makes subtitles readable. Split long captions into shorter 1-2 line segments, aiming for roughly 35 to 42 characters per line to prevent crowding. Then correct words, punctuation, and add speaker labels where needed, because clarity matters. Use the Snap to Cut feature and waveform view to nudge start and end times so subtitles match syllables. Doing this improves comprehension and viewer retention. Finally, you style and export. Choose font, size, color, and a background so text contrasts with video. Preview in 16:9 and mobile aspect ratios to confirm legibility. Export either burned-in captions for social platforms or as an SRT file when you need separate subtitles. If timing looks off after export, reopen the Subtitles panel and use the nudge controls. Adjust by plus or minus 100 ms to fix sync quickly. One troubleshooting tip: rerun auto-generate on a quieter audio pass if speech was noisy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.